How to turn on notifications on Zapier. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, go to this website named Zapier.com. Now this interface will pop up. Here on the right top, you can find your profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon and here tap on settings. So basically we're in this settings interface. Here you'll be able to find different options and even customize it. Here on the left top, you can find this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here tap on notifications. So this is the place where you can add or even customize it. So simply tap on my notifications. So this is the place where you can find different categories too. So you can easily edit and add the notification you like. At last, you can simply go back and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.